The long chains of amino acid joined together, it is called. How many different types of alpha amino acids are there? Amino acids contain which two functional groups? Amino acids are associated with each other through which linkage? The formula of polypeptide linkage is. Enzymes are also known as. Which enzyme catalyzes the decomposition of lipids into fatty acids? Which enzymes catalyzes the decomposition of proteins into amino acids? Which enzyme catalyzes the decomposition of starch into glucose? Caffeine is found in which of the following? Which proteins are found in eggs? Albumin and globulin are classified as which type of protein? Hemoglobin is classified as which type of protein? FSH is an example of which type of protein? One gram of carbohydrate provides approximately how many calories? One gram of proteins provides approximately how many calories? One gram of fat provides approximately how many calories? The linear sequence of amino acid represents which level of protein structure? Alpha helix and beta sheets are examples of which type of protein structures? Which type of bonding is responsible for the stabilization of the secondary structure of protein? The three-dimensional arrangement of a protein molecule is called. The folding patterns in a polypeptide chain represents which protein structure? Which protein exhibits the tertiary structure? Which protein exhibits the quaternary structure? How many subunits does hemoglobin consist of? Proteins are described as dipolar because they proteins are amphoteric in nature because of the presence of proteins being amphoteric means they can act as hemoglobin transport oxygen from the lungs to antibodies in our bodies are which type of biomolecule?